Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. This is the 2010 Range Rover Sport and I'm going to replace the water pump. I have my new water pump and I'll list the part number in case if you need one. So please check it out the description. We're going to get started. And one thing I like to share with you, removal of housing, the clamp, vent pipe. I have posted a video which I changed the thermostat earlier. So please check it out how to remove it. So let's get started. After removing the dirt housing from left side and the right side, taken out this hose and then I pull it back, and this is on the throttle body. This is the gasket the seal goes on, and there is one hose connected all the way back. You can remove that as well, but I am not going to remove it. I'm just going to tilt this one and I'm going to put it on the side. Very important that we're going to put the drain bucket underneath. Any fluid which goes down here can get collected and you can dispose it properly. This is the radiator hose, the upper hose. I'm going to take this here and then we're going to work on the water hose. Get a plier. It's a good idea to bring the clamp up just like this. And now we're going to open this one. Break the seal because it's been sitting there for a long time. So just pull it down. This is the belt which goes on the water pump. The belt tensioner is right here, 3/8 socket. Once we put it in, then when we go like this, it moves this way. And the belt, this is the belt. Here it gets loose. And now we're going to take the belt out just like that. It will slip out. Then we're going to pull this belt out. So make sure that the belt, we pull it all the way from other side as well. Torx driver, which is a T30, and there are 1, 2 and 2 on other side. We're going to remove those 4 and the water pump going to come out. Screws which are right located here, 2 on this side, 2 on this side. This is the T30, so we're going to crank it up. This is the belt tensioner pulley. Going to remove this one as well. So we'll take a 15mm socket. The reason we're going to remove it, we can remove 3 Torx screw from the water pump. The 4th one is hidden behind this one, so we have to remove this one. So this is the whole pulley will come out. This one is removed, as you can see. As for this one, putting it back like a doubles. These are 2 guide pin. So these are 4 Torx screw and which requires T30. We're going to remove those. Second one is a little tricky, and in order to do that, you need a small extension. So that way it easily comes out. So once all the 4 screws are removed, then we're going to remove the water pump. I have taken out all the bolts. So the water pump is now free. In order to remove the water pump out, we need to remove this bracket, and it requires a 13mm socket and it has a bolt underneath. The reason I'm taking it out, it will be easier access that we can bring the water pump out. We'll crack it open. This is the screw with the bracket. This is L-angle pipe which we need to remove. You need a smaller screwdriver to push this portion in and then grab it from here and pull it. This is the way you're going to remove it. And this is the other hose, the main one, we're going to take it out. This is the small pipe, L shape. You press this one and then pull it. Now we can pull the water pump out. Once we pull it, you heard that click sound. You need to pull the water pump straight because the hose connected on the back. Once this comes out, then we're going to take it out. Very gently, we're going to put this one on the side so you don't break it. Now we're going to remove the water pump. It slides out. So now we can pull this water pump just like that. So this is what I was talking about. When we pull it, that one is connected right behind the water pump. So you pull straight and then you take it out. So there is a hose connected on the back of the water pump valve. Put your hand, and it has like a half-cut moon style. When you pull it straight. So this is how it comes out. The water pump has been removed. This plastic part. Let me close it. So this is the new water pump. And with the new water pump, there is O-ring goes inside, which did not come with it. So I'm going to use, I already taken out the O-ring. I'm going to use that loop oil ring and we're going to place it right in there. And this one for the plastic pipe. These are solid metal washers. So when we're going to mount these, they goes only one way. So if you turn around, they're not going to fit. Apply some oil, not too much. So this, it can slide nicely into our new water pump. So we're going to slide it in. It's going to go all the way at the bottom, and it's going to sit perfectly fine like this. This side going to fit right in there. So we're going to make sure that we just lube it, and that's good enough. And let's start putting it together. This is the new water pump assembly. Now we're going to put it in. Only thing I wanted to share with you beforehand, when we're going to put this one, make sure that O-ring is inside your water pump. It's not missing, because that's going to fit this plastic pipe in there. And then there is another O-ring which goes inside the engine. This is going to fit in there. The reason I'm showing to you right now here, because it's hard to really make a movie over there. The rest of the process will be in a reverse order. Hopefully it's going to help you out in case if you need to change yours. So we're going to put this one back. Once it's pushed back firmly, you just make sure that you rotate it halfway. Now we can place the water pump. Slide the water pump. And we're going to make sure that on the back, the plastic hose, it's very important. It goes straight. Then you push it back. So once the water pump is pressed in, you just do the hand tight, 1 or 2 thread on all 4 sides. Then with the hand, just keep tightening. You tighten like 3-4 times here, then at the bottom, tight, then goes on this side and keep tightening. So when you tighten these, so make sure that you don't tighten one screw at a time. The last and final step is all completed. The water pump is installed in reverse order, as I mentioned. We're going to place the cover back. So now I'm going to top off with the coolant, and then we're going to start it, and we're going to see if there is any leak. Then I will take a test drive, and at the time, if there is any air inside the system, we're going to use the breather valve, which is right here, and we're going to make sure that we take the air out, loosen the breather valve, take the air out, and if the more coolant needed, add some more, and then we're going to test it. And that's how it's easy, not simple, but you follow the steps, it's easy. So you can save a lot of money, you can do it yourself. And I hope this video helped you. Please like, share, and I'm going to see you soon with another video. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye-bye.